Episode 19, Glow-in-the-Dark Sharks. The ocean is filled with some of the most amazing and unique animals found on Earth. As you descend into the depths, the sunlight no longer is able to penetrate the waters and the abyss becomes completely dark. Species have evolved to create their own light in these environments through a process called bioluminescence. A new shark species recently discovered was found to be able to glow in the dark. Named the ninja lantern shark, these strange creatures are found to be mostly completely black with spots that glow. It's thought that this combination of light and dark confuses prey as it sneaks up on them. The ocean never stops surprising us. What will we discover next?